What's up, worldwide web? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. If I sound like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, guys, it's because my nose is stopped up. Anyway, welcome to the video, guys. Thanks for opting in. I hope that you guys' days are going great. I got me something to drink, guys, because I'm trying to keep myself calm because I am so super excited in this video because I want to talk to you guys about how to make money on the internet with a 7-hour work week. I'm going to say that again. How to make money on the internet with a 7-hour work week. In fact, 7 hours is probably over the top, guys. That's probably way more than you need. You probably can do it in about 4. Guys, over the course of the last year, I've had multiple $200 days, $100 days, $500 days. My best day being $6,000 in sales, and my best month being over $10,000 in sales. How do I do it? I do it with automated marketing systems. Now, what I want to talk to you guys about today is how to fly high under the radar, right? How to fly high under the radar. My computer was down, guys, for about a week or so. I had some plumbing problems, and so the guys came out to fix the plumbing, and they cut my cable lines, and so it just took a while for me to get things back in order, my plumbing, my cable. So I had to do business. I had to do everything I was doing on the phone. And then it made me think about something, guys. Really, all I really was doing when my computer was down, guys, was jumping on the internet and driving traffic into my automated done-for-you marketing systems. Which brings me to why I'm talking about a 7-hour work week. You don't have to be on YouTube all the time like I am, guys. I just love doing videos. You don't have to talk to anybody, right? What I'm about to introduce you to, right? And when we talk about flying high under the radar, what I'm about to introduce you guys to is a way that you can go out here and start rocking it in terms of making money online. You don't have to talk to nobody about what it is you're doing. You can just do it, okay? Just do it. Just do what we tell you to do. Again, no talking to nobody, no YouTube videos, no Facebook lives, no YouTube lives. Just follow the system. We talk about a 7-hour work week, guys. You probably can do this in 4 hours a week. You can make decent money. The amount of money you make is going to be totally up to you. You definitely will be flying high under the radar because unlike what I did and what I continue to do, guys, because I like doing videos, you don't have to get on YouTube and do videos because sometimes we overexpose ourselves. So when we talk about flying high under the radar, you don't have to worry about the competition on YouTube or Facebook because you're going to be flying high, but you're going to be under the radar with an explosive opportunity that's going to enable you to make money literally hand over fist, working less than 7 hours a day. I know you guys might find it hard to believe. Maybe this is something that you've seen before. Maybe it's not. But you guys are also going to get a chance to get on my email list and see the way that I continue to correspond with my list as I start to build it. And how I'm able to, should I say, monetize this particular opportunity. Now, remember, you don't have to do anything that you're going to see happening, right, as you come onto my list and I start to correspond with you guys, but it's going to open your mind and give you guys some ideas about how you can start flying high under the radar, making money hand over fist, no talking to anybody, no YouTube videos, working less than 7 hours a week. Okay, so look, guys, without any further ado, there's gonna be a form in the YouTube description area of this YouTube video, and if you guys are finding me any other way, there's going to be a form asking you for your email and or your name and your email address, one or the other. I have several pages. Give me that information. I'm going to run you guys over to the presentation, and you guys can get started right now today with your 7-hour work week making money online. Probably less than 7 hours a week. I'm saying 7 hours a week because I like to do videos. And now, guys, that my computer back up, stay tuned because I'll be back to share some great information with you guys. I'm so glad to be back. Again, thanks for being on the video, guys. Come on, let's get hopping. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep rocking, guys. I'll see you on the inside.